How to make a Belgian block curb. Belgian blocks are magical. They came to the United States originally as ballast on sailing ships, but became streets in many East Coast port cities. In the 20th century, New York City work crews would remove Belgian blocks to repair water lines or sewers and stack them beside the work area. Residents would steal them for doorstops or bookshelf holders in urban apartments or haul them to suburbs to make flower bed edges. But when the crews restored the street, no matter how many blocks had been stolen, there were always enough to fill the street. Things you'll need: tape measure, wood stakes, builder's twine, 3-pound sledgehammer, cold chisel, level, concrete, wheelbarrow, trowel, rubber mallet, mason saw optional, stone dust or ground limestone. Mark the curbing area with wood stakes and builder's twine 2 or 3 inches above the level of the driveway or lawn to be curbed. Dig a trench a foot wide and 8 inches deep along this line. Check the edge of the pavement, knock off any protrusions or rough spots with a cold chisel and a 3-pound sledgehammer. Lay out Belgian blocks along this line. Basic Belgian blocks are 5 by 5 by 9 inches and weigh 20 pounds. Mix concrete in a wheelbarrow, slightly stiff, and shovel it into the trench a few inches deep. Smooth it with a trowel, then set the first block tightly against the pavement or lawn edge. Push it into the concrete until the height is right and the block is level. Add other blocks down the curb line and use a rubber mallet to tap them level. Pause after 10 blocks to check the level and line, then push concrete about 6 inches up the backside of the blocks and with a trowel. Slope it about 45 degrees to the ground. Lay another 10 blocks. Repeat this process until the curb is complete. Keep stone ends tight to each other and faces tight to the driveway or lawn edge. Always end with a full-sized stone. Use a diamond-bladed mason saw to trim ends of several stones if necessary to make the proper fit. Sweep stone dust or ground limestone available at stone yards or building supply stores into the crevices between stones once the concrete has set. Backfill behind the stones with dirt even with a lawn. Tamp the dirt firmly behind the stones with a shovel or rubber mallet. Tips: warnings. Buy Belgian blocks at stone yards or landscape supply outlets. Wear goggles when chipping pavement or cutting stones.